Hello, students. I am Jeff from Simplified. Are you a student? Who wants to earn money with studies without any investment? So here are ways you can make money online without any investment. 1. Freelance writing and editing. Are you one who is interested in writing or likes to play with documents? Then freelance writing is one of the most flexible and lucrative ways to make money for students. You can start writing about your college subjects. Example: if you are a computer student, you can write about artificial intelligence, robotics, etc. 2. Online tutoring, personal home tuitions. If you think you are good in the subject and have the skill of explaining, then tutoring can be a game changer for you. Tutoring is a great way to earn money while helping others. There are multiple platforms where you can start online tutoring. If you have a fear of cameras and tech, you can search in your locality for students who need your support to pass his/her exams. 3. Social media management. Are you always on Instagram, Snapchat, X platform, or Facebook? Why not turn your entertainment into a money source? Many small influencers and businesses are looking for people like you who can handle their social media effectively. 5. Start a blog or YouTube channel. If you have a passion or interest, starting a blog or YouTube channel can be a fun and rewarding way to earn money. While it takes time to build an audience, once you do, the possibilities are